Hello, food lovers! Today we're diving into a dish that's as comforting as it is delicious: Salmon Alfredo pasta. This recipe takes the classic creamy Alfredo and adds a punch of flavor with succulent salmon. It's easy to make, impressive to serve, and oh so satisfying to eat. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this recipe is for you. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you end up with a plate of pasta that's bursting with flavor. So grab your apron, put on your chef's hat, or not, we don't judge, and let's get cooking. Before we start cooking, let's gather our culinary army, the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound fettuccine pasta, 1 pound skinless, boneless salmon fillet, cut into 1-inch cubes, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons butter, and salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. That's it! 5 ingredients for a restaurant-quality dish. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the fun part: cooking. First, cook the pasta according to package directions. This usually involves boiling water with a pinch of salt and then adding the pasta. While the pasta is cooking, we can prepare the salmon and the Alfredo sauce. For the salmon, simply season the cubes with salt and pepper. Heat a tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add the salmon and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until it's cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Now, for the star of the show, the Alfredo sauce. In a separate pan, melt the remaining tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Pour in the heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. Gradually whisk in the Parmesan cheese until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to the pan with the Alfredo sauce. Toss to coat the pasta evenly. Gently fold in the cooked salmon. Serve your salmon Alfredo pasta immediately. You can garnish it with some fresh parsley for an extra pop of color and flavor. This dish pairs perfectly with a side of garlic bread and a crisp white wine. And there you have it. A simple yet elegant salmon Alfredo pasta recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy!